And welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to an application that will let you to use your mobile phone as a walkie-talkie. Now you'll be, maybe if you have two mobile phones or three, maybe your wife, your children, or your friends, you may be living at one house, so you need to talk to each other like this. Now let me give you a try. Oh, Dexite, where are you? Oh, it means it's working. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set this up, and I'll show you a demo. Now, let me show you my another phone I have. So here you can see there's my another phone I have. Hey, so let me talk. Hey, where is ZK? Are you live?
Are you live?
Okay, now let me show
Okay,
you.
now let me show you.
Hmm. Now you see, this is my other phone over here. So I'll be using this walkie-talkie, and I'll be talking. You can listen to my conversation. Hello, Dr. ZK.
Dr. ZK,
Uh, Over to you.
over to you.
So that is just like So to set this up, all you need to do is go to Play Store and you should search for 1010. This is the name of the application. Download this and install this. When you install this, click open. Now this would be open for you. Now to set this up, you need to create, log in with Gmail. You need to log in with Gmail. Then it will ask your age. Just put your age like 20, 25, and anything else, and then give the permissions like for microphone. Okay. So after that, you can add friend. Now add friends. Now you can see there is a pin shown here, AUEWP13. Now enter this pin in your wife's phone, in your friend's phone, in your other phone, so that phone would be connected to your this phone as a walkie-talkie device, so you can use this plan and talk to your loved ones and enjoy. So that's a very nice setup. You could talk like walkie-talkie without using WhatsApp or something else. So thank you very much for watching this video.